Beverly Boulevard. Beverly Boulevard. Nine 51116, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
95116, right?
Yes.
95116. Who was that?
The socket.
Don't lose the stuff like that. The screen.
What screen?
The spring right there.
Take out the spring?
Yeah, bring it. I mean, yeah. Usually people take that apart, and you know what I'm talking
Yeah.
about. You know how to do it, right? Press down on the thing. Okay. Yeah, pick it up. That one, pick it up. You understand what I'm talking about?
No, you want me to take it apart completely?
Yeah, leave it. Yeah, well, that one's fine. The one going to the back, you can take apart.
This one? Or
Well,
that back there?
That one right there and the other one too. Let me show you how to do it. Listen.
I ain't trying to break down little things. I got pliers in here. Want pliers?
You got a new one anyways. Where they at?
I don't know where the new ones went.
You lost them?
I didn't lose them. I left them on top of the table, so no.
Oh, can we probably put it in your step on the left-hand side?
I'm hoping. You just get the bottom, so let me see.
Yeah, just the bottom of it. You know what I'm talking about?
So I'm supposed to.
Push down on it.
Oh, this one came undone from where?
Oh, that one's fine then. That's not the one. That's the one goes to
To the ignition or to the carb.
That go up. That go up. You know what I mean? This go. See it coming up? Now get a little screwdriver, put it in there, small one.
There?
Yeah, one small one. Okay, that works. Pull it up.
Okay, I see what you mean.
You got it now? Okay.
Ah, shitty.
Yeah, we cleaned that up. You know what I mean?
Paint it, paint it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what? That little line back there
Which one?
going into the block.
No, that's everything, no?
No, that thing.
Oh, yeah. That,
Oh no, it's off. Yeah, it's off.
okay. It is?
Yeah,
Let me see it. Show me. That's the fucking ground.
I know.
What the fuck? Okay. That everything, you could take this up if you want to. If you want, you know what I mean? Don't this tap off, right? Okay.
You want to take this off?
Oh, yeah. Now I'm saying, put a bolt on the bottom and put one on top.
Okay.
Don't use that. Use the,
Yeah.
that, yeah. Because you plug it up and that's it. You know what I'm talking about?
Okay, so this size is. Okay. Okay, what am I doing now?
Okay. Turn it to the, that one this way. You're fine. It has stuff on it to keep it in place. You know what I mean?
Loctite.
Yeah.
Okay. What do I do with this? Put it off to the side?
Huh?
Put it off to the side?
Yeah, move it all the way out there. They come this way. Move it this way. You know what you gotta get? Rubber grommets. Yeah. Move all that stuff. You gotta go all the way. You know what I mean? Rubber grommet.
I had no
To
idea.
put it in the holes. See the holes they made up?
Yeah.
It has little rubber in there to keep the noise outside.
I got you. I don't got no zip ties. Come in handy. So I got no zip ties that come in handy right now. Hold it up for right now.
You take this top right here and take off all the bolts. You know what I mean?
Okay. You don't want to run the oil right now? Or you
No,
want-
for what?
Well, that's what they did. Everything was on. They ran the oil with. Oh, well, I don't know. Okay.
Yeah, but we're gonna redo it. You know what I mean? And we could prime it right here, the pump right here, by turning it.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now that we took it off,
Okay.
we just put something in there, turn it, like that, and you can see it coming up.
Okay.
I say 5/8, I think so, maybe 11/60. I can't remember.